Hello, good evening. So when you log in on your Facebook, so let me reload the page and close all this stuff that I have. So when you log in on your Facebook, you can use this same tab or you open another tab on your Chrome browser and you go to facebook.com/ads manager. Now this is going to lead to the page that you want to use to run adverts for yourself. This would help you to fund your accounts, run your adverts. The whole interface is different from when you're looking at it from mobile. Now this is one account. But we don't want to use this account. We want to use an account whereby we can put in money using PayU, and we'll be able to use the money we put inside our account to run adverts. So that's what we are trying to do here. So my network is taking a bit of time. Just a moment, please. Sorry, my network is taking a small time. Okay, so so now it has loaded. We don't want to use this one, so we come here. I've created the VicAirs account, which is the account I want to use. So I open it. I open this side. So it's taking a while to load. This is the account. So this is the account we want to use. So it's loading. So when you've come to your facebook.com/ads manager, I've chosen your account. Even if you decide to go ahead and create, it will still prompt you to fund. So the best thing is first put in your money. So you come to billing. So I'll click on billing now. So as you can see, add funds. So you just click on add funds. When you click on add fund, you choose you enter the amount you want to load. Let's say it's 45 that you want to load, and you click on add funds. So it will bring out the next stage. Then you click on continue. So you can see it said you want to pay 4,005. So enter all your card details. So the moment you try entering your card details, you see if you did not enter the first one, you see that your CVV did not come. But the moment you enter it, start entering it. You enter your card number, your card name, the name on the card, expiring dates, and the CVV. And you click on pay now. When you click on pay now, it's going to redirect you to an interface that is related to your bank, whereby you verify maybe via phone number or via email that you use in opening your bank account. So that is the way to use PayU. Thank you.